Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from fitnessblender.com, here to let you know that we've got a sale going on right now.
So now through the end of Monday, the 29th, we're offering 25% off of all of our programs and all of our gift cards, which can be applied to anything on site, including FB Plus, whether that be a 1 month, monthly, or yearly subscription.
So like Kelly said, these are for gift cards and for programs. If you want to go and stock up on programs, it's a great time to do it, 25% off. Probably not going to put another sale on until Christmas. And then, of course, if you want to try out any of our new challenges, we have a ton of brand new challenges that can only be done on FB Plus. So if you want to give a shot to FB Plus, now's another good time to grab those gift cards to use to pay for your FB Plus membership.
We actually have an exclusive, unique 2-week challenge that comes out every single month as part of the FB Plus subscription. Just a heads up. Also, we have a ton of exclusive video content, including from other certified personal trainers, and now also doctors of physical therapy leading you through real-time workouts.
And pretty soon, videos from doctors of mental health.
Yes. We actually
Very
we've
exciting
been very
stuff.
busy.
Yes,
Yeah.
very exciting stuff coming up through the end of this year and into 2022. So you'll definitely want to be around to see what's come out.
Otherwise, like we said, right now, 25% off of any program, all of the programs of your choice, as well as FV Plus, however you see fit, whether that's 1 month, monthly, or year. Like we said, we made that as flexible as possible. Cancel anytime, choose any of the formats that work for you.
And remember, these gift cards can also be sent out to whoever you want to, so they make really good gifts for anybody who's already a Fitness Blender fan or somebody who is looking to get into fitness in the new year. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Also, we'll see you with a bunch of new content in the new year.
Yes.
Lots of new workout videos coming your way.
And not just from us.
Not just from us.